Jim, Intel is creating a new expression, intelligent systems. Can you explain me what Intel means for intelligent systems?
Sure. Actually, it was a little over a year ago. IDC came out with a new report that really defined a category within the embedded space dubbed intelligent systems. And since that time, there's really been some exciting evolution as the market shifts from traditional embedded devices, which historically had been fixed function, isolated devices that really didn't connect with anything. As those devices start to connect with each other and connect into the cloud, it's creating the ability to derive a tremendous amount of intelligence from the data that is being unleashed from these systems. And it's really in this kind of space of intelligent systems that Intel has been very excited to be helping to participate and lead.
Okay, but if you connect all these intelligent systems together, then you have to create secure networks. What is Intel doing in this aspect?
Yeah, absolutely. I think one of the areas that the industry has really been struggling with is connecting devices that really had never been connected to anything before. And what they're finding is there's a lot of complexity involved with doing this. There's complexity in designing the hardware and software. There's complexity in deploying these systems in a way that are secure, in ways where it allows the customer to actually manage remotely the device. And it's really been very complex on how to figure out how to drive interoperability for the industry. So part of what Intel has been doing is we have launched Intel Intelligent Systems Framework version 1.0. It's a spec that we released to the industry back in September during the Intel Developer Forum in San Francisco. And the spec really provides a framework for the industry that helps drive interoperability. Essentially taking out the complexity of building the hardware in ways that are secure, in ways that can be managed, in ways that are very scalable for the industry. And the hope is that by creating this interoperability, it eases the deployment and the investment costs associated with intelligent systems, so that the industry can really spend more time thinking about what value they can derive from the data that is now coming off of these devices and really make some value out of that data.
Okay. So Intel is well known as a microprocessor supplier, but if you talk about intelligent systems, there's more than just a microprocessor.
Yes.
How can you deliver these products, software as well, to the customer of intelligent systems?
Yeah, well, we are...
You said that you have a framework,
which
means there's more in it, but how do you realize this?
Well, we are so proud to have an industry-leading ecosystem of partners around us that we've worked with for many years. And our ecosystem has embraced this intelligent systems framework, and in fact have already deployed over 50 intelligent systems framework-ready platforms to the industry. Here at Embedded World, AD-Link and Eurotech were a couple of our other partners that just announced some new platforms that are ISF ready into the industry. So it's really been a fantastic collaboration with our very rich ecosystem that is embracing this intelligent systems framework and proliferating it out into all these devices as they connect.
This means the customer gets all the support he needs to create these intelligent systems and put it in this application.
That's exactly right. The customer, because we've provided this framework for interoperability, it takes all the complexity out of connecting, securing, and managing these devices, so that they can really focus on understanding how to pull the data off these devices, and now that they know the data is secure, now they can really derive business value out of it and try to understand what all this data actually means and translate that into information that can be used.
Okay. Thank you very much, Jim.
Great, thank you.
Okay.